I can't believe this happened. I honestly didn't expect anything like this to happen at all. So guys, as you might notice, I am not in Bangkok anymore. I actually made it out to Sinakville. I'm here for 1 night and heading to Kampot, Cambodia for the next 4 nights. So 5 days out in Kampot in total. And I'm gonna be doing a quick project which I'll talk a little bit about towards the end of this video. Steve's actually with me right now from the previous video, and I wanted to start this vlog a little differently. The purpose that I decided to create this vlog is to raise a level of awareness. So in this video, as you may see the title, we got arrested. Just a few days back, this vlog should have been made. Unfortunately, I had stuff to prep for out in Cambodia and for another trip coming up next month. So I'm making the vlog right now, and a few days back, Cam from The Wonderful Life, that you guys might know of him, made it out to Bangkok for 2 quick nights on his way out to Bali. Really excited to have him back out here in Southeast Asia. And unfortunately, we kind of, let's just put it this way, we did some stuff that we shouldn't be doing or shouldn't have done at all, and I highly regret it. The big thing I wanted to talk about is awareness. So basically, to keep things short, we flew a drone in a spot that we shouldn't have flown it at all. It was probably within 100 or 200 meters from the Grand Palace, so that's kind of like flying the drone by the White House in the United States. Kind of crazy, but we got in trouble with the police, and you know what? Let's just take you directly to the vlog so you guys can see what happened from a couple days back. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome to another hot and sweaty day out here in Bangkok. So we already got some pad thai, we got some lunch. We're heading to an abandoned mall, as you guys voted in one of my Instagram stories that you guys wanted to see more abandoned stuff. And when I say we, I'm with... Is that half of the Wonderful Life? That guy.
I have a name, Chris. Goodness gracious.
Mr. Cam himself, half of the Wonderful Life.
Split in half.
And he's gonna be in Bangkok. I guess he woke up in Bangkok today, out of the blue. I was like, what are you doing down here? We had some acai bowls.
And Chris met me in Hong Kong and drugged me and dragged me back. That's it. It's been a long time coming.
That's how I roll. That's how I roll. So Cam's gonna be here for a couple days. Unfortunately, Kelsey couldn't make it out here. She's back in California. We miss you though. And we're gonna be heading to an abandoned mall and then checking out a rooftop with Steve, who I met in the previous vlog. He's the king of abandoned stuff, rooftops, stuff like that. He found some pretty cool places to check out here in Bangkok. So we're gonna get sweaty. We're gonna have about an hour taxi ride, and hopefully we make it to this creepy abandoned mall.
Yeah, dude, I feel like I just literally sweat out 4 months of cold in the US. All just came pouring out at the same time. Now I'm thawing.
Well, welcome back to Asia, brother.
You.
So we ended up eating at the Hong Kong Noodle House. The food was absolutely delicious. Steve is back with us. So we got Cam is So we got the Wonderful Life back over there. We got Steve right over here. And we are at the abandoned mall right now out here in Bangkok. And the abandoned mall is pretty close to Khao San Road. So we're about a 10-15 minute walk from Khao San Road. And we're gonna head around the mall. Supposedly there's a way to get into the abandoned mall, and we're gonna explore a creepy abandoned hidden mall. Steve was here already before, right?
Yeah, just like never stayed that long, so back again to explore it way more.
Yeah, so he's here for the second time, I think. We're gonna explore it way more. And supposedly at the bottom part of the mall there's like a pond with a ton of different fish, so we're gonna check it out.
I've already eaten like 3 times and it's only like 10 a.m.
So you're saying it's like a back alleyway?
Yeah, back alleyway, behind car park. Then we have to climb up a tree, and small tree, and then climb up a piece of rope, and then we're in.
Okay. And I got a new like microphone set up. I went to like some camera fair yesterday, so hopefully the audio is a lot better. And I'm stoked to check out another abandoned place out in Bangkok. So we made it past the corner to like a parking lot type structure.
This is the way up to the abandoned mall.
This is the tree?
Yeah. I'm here with Chris and Cam over there.
Alright, so apparently you gotta climb this tree right over here. And I'm assuming you climb up that rope right there?
Yeah.
And then
just like
jump it there.
I'd probably just like use the tree, then use like the little ledge. I wouldn't use the rope.
You wouldn't use the rope? Okay, so just grab the ledge. What did I get myself into? Alright, let's do this. Tack on to the ledge like Spider-Man style and then walk right in. easy. You got this.
Nice.
Another time I should not be vlogging right now. Climbing up the ladder. Okay, let's put this camera away. Save me! Save me! Is this rope trustworthy?
No.
Oh wow, it's slipping. Yeah. When I was like 12 years old, this was so much easier. Oh Jesus!
Oh my God, it smells so bad.
All right, so we all made it up here safely. It's funny because like there's guards or sweepers down there like cleaning and they're just letting us up. Most of the abandoned places that I've been at in Bangkok is kind of against it. They'll ask you for money and they won't let you in, stuff like that, but this works out I guess pretty well.
Like a light.
You can see like the fish right over there.
Oh yeah. I'm shaking.
Wait, so we go through this hole?
Yeah,
this hole?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
This hole.
Wait, all right, so.
Oh my God, so we made it into the abandoned mall. Again, it's like a 10-minute walk from Khao San Road. Yeah. It's called New World Mall, so you can find it on Google Maps. And I don't really know the history about the abandoned mall. Maybe I'll put it like right over around here.
Definitely want some needles.
Needles, nice, my favorite. Holy cow, this is insane. Alright, so we are leaving the main area and walking into the next part of the mall. You could just imagine like all these department stores or shops like right over here, maybe some food stalls. Gotta be super careful where you walk, oh my God. But holy crap. There's a giant hole in the ground right over there. Yeah, this is definitely like the central part of the mall. Maybe the food court, definitely the food court on the top floor. That's where the food courts are normally at. But I'm sweating profusely. The sun is beaming through, and this is pretty rad.
Wait, where are the fish?
I'm in my comfort zone just now.
Where are the fish? You said there were fish.
They're right over there.
Where?
Babies.
The small ones here.
Fish. Oh, the little teeny ones?
Guppies.
All the stalls we see of all the Thai people selling fish.
Cam, you okay up there?
Yeah. Damn, dude, this is sick.
All right, Cam, we're coming to you. Stay up there. All right. We're all getting content. Cam's up there. I was right here shooting. You got Steven who's just shooting the ground. And wow, this is crazy. So this leads to the lower level. This is so sick. Like, you gotta be careful where you're walking because I'm actually a little nervous since it's abandoned. You know, people aren't really taking care of it at all. Not like they do much in Bangkok on the streets anyway. But whoa, there's bats everywhere. But gotta be careful. We're on the second floor right now. Kim's somewhere being a model, posing back there, and there's a lot of bats back here. This is so wild. We're about 1 or 2 levels from the top. It looks like, here, check this out. Yeah, so here's the escalator again. That's must be the top floor, but supposedly you can get on the roof, so we'll see, but this is sick. More shrubbery right over here. Like another escalator or elevator or something, I don't know, that wasn't built. This is crazy. Oh boy.
I think there's people coming in.
There's people coming in? I guess there's like people that came in, that's what Steve said, I have no idea, but we're like hiding in like the food court. I think this is the food court. This is definitely the food court. This is definitely a food, oh yeah, this might be a bathroom. Okay, I'm gonna stand up. He heard people. He heard people. Could be anything. Could be a snake. Who knows? Maybe a tiger. We are in Thailand. See, if you're just adding drama to the vlog, good job. I appreciate it. Drama's good for the vlog.
That's jealous. That doesn't make any sense.
Steve, do you need the bat or anything? You okay? Okay. He gets taken. Found no one? Alright, we're gonna get to the roof. That was kind of scary. We just came out. No one is walking around, luckily. And we're going up the steps to the roof. And we're gonna see what's up here. Urban exploring. Woo! Oh, this is nice.
That's what you don't want to be.
Yeah.
Oh my god. What just happened? What just happened, Cam?
You just got us arrested, dude. That was the funniest thing ever. Like, they bring us in there, they scared the crap out of us, and took all the footage, took the drone, took the phones, took everything, and then ended up following us all on YouTube.
We were inside there for like 4 days, man. 4 days.
Oh my goodness.
Like, he's mean mugging me so bad, and all of a sudden my update video comes on, and he turns around and he's like,
So we're at Khao San Road right now. We basically got arrested. We got mugshots and everything out here in Bangkok on Cam's first day in Bangkok.
welcome back to Southeast Asia.
Welcome back to Southeast Asia. So we basically got in trouble for shooting the drone up, which is 1 kilometer from the Grand Palace. It's basically shooting a drone up at the White House. So they basically took us in, they charged us 1,000 baht per person, so 3,000 baht total. That's like almost $100 American. They took our footage from us. So they think they took our footage from us.
Yeah.
It all lasted for like a couple hours. We basically got stopped on the rooftop. They made me take my drone down, and we basically jumped in a tuk-tuk from there, went to the police station. They deleted everything supposedly, and I can't believe that happened. But Cam's first day back in Southeast Asia after 4 months in California in the US, we got arrested. So we're supposed to do like a rooftop and check out a rooftop after this, but based on what happened, I don't think we're gonna go to another rooftop or do anything that wild. I don't know about that.
I don't know, I mean, if the smog clears up and the sunset's looking pretty, we might have to push it, but...
I say we just go for the rooftop. Go for it.
I say we go for some pad thai and like
Pad Thai and
6
beers.
and then we'll make
I
a
could
good
go for
decision.
I could go for a beer or 5 right now after that incident. Oh my goodness. So as crazy as it is, we ended up leaving the police station. We got a quick beer out in Khao San Road. And of course, Steve wanted to go to check out another rooftop, which we agreed upon. And we caught a beautiful sunset out in Bangkok. To be honest, not the best one, but it was Cam's night in Bangkok. We caught a nice little sunset and we enjoyed our times out on the rooftop in Bangkok. Again, guys, it was a heck of a day. We got arrested. We did not expect to get arrested at all. And we ended up going to another rooftop, but it is our risk completely. Again, I am not promoting going on to abandoned places, going to rooftops, anything like that. I would not promote it at all. This is something that I'm not sure that I'm gonna be doing. I know some of you guys from my Instagram stories wanted me to check out some more abandoned places, and unfortunately, we didn't really think about where we shot the drone up, and we got in trouble, we got arrested. Luckily, we only had to pay 1,000 baht per person. It could have been a lot worse from what I've heard from the drone regulations and the drone laws out in Bangkok. It could have been a lot worse. We could have paid up to $5,000–$10,000 in fines. We could have had our drone taken away, which would have been absolutely miserable. But we got very, very lucky. And checking out abandoned places, at least shooting the drone up where I should know where not to shoot it up, like in the middle of Bangkok. Definitely gonna be more aware next time. So that's my tip for you guys. Be a little bit more aware. Again, I'm currently out here right now in Sinakville for 1 night, then I have 4 nights in Kampot doing a quick project which I'm really, really excited about. Out here in Cambodia, I've been to Cambodia about twice last year and I had an incredible time, and I've never been to Kampot, which I'm really, really excited to get some content out in Kampot. I basically have a special project for a hotel chain out here in Cambodia that I worked with before in the past, and if this goes really, really well, I have many more opportunities with them in the future. That's the goal, so knock on wood, hope this project goes well. And one last thing that I wanted to talk about. So next week, I'm gonna be heading out to Hue Hin in about 7 or 8 days. I'm gonna be creating my how to travel for free and how to get paid as a small influencer, which I'm really, really excited to make this video. I basically got a lot of names off of Instagram stories and Instagram DMs. Full list of people who are interested in purchasing this video, which will be between $10 and $15 American. I'm pretty much done with the script, which I'm really, really excited to film next week out in Thailand. So be on the lookout for that. I'll probably be announcing it in the next vlog or in some Instagram stories. If you guys are interested in that, comment down below, put your email address, let's say, down below in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Again, do not fly your drones anywhere dangerously, especially in the middle of cities, and I'll catch you guys in the next vlog. Smash the like button, comment down below if you guys have any questions or anything in Southeast Asia, and hit the notification bell so you guys are notified, and hopefully the next vlog we don't get arrested. Cheers, guys.